Alright, complaint on this Maytag Bravos is that it's making a lot of noise, which it does, but this is pretty cool because I don't get these too often. This is a gas dryer. This is actually your gas burner here. But this is your problem. This belt tensioner pulley. You guys ready for this? Yeah, I definitely say that's wore out. So, get her a new one of those. And then we'll put all this back on there. But yeah, that's pretty cool. Get a gas dryer for once. And get that fixed up. Y'all have a good day.